resisting unless you touch the stop.
I understand this is emotional, but you're literally making it so much worse than it has to be, and I don't get it.
We need identification for this guy right here.
Do you have a
hey, sit down. Sit. Hey, sit down. Sit. That's why you don't stand up. Don't get up again.
He's under arrest.
For what?
Back up or you're going to jail with him.
Put me in jail!
Come over here. What? Swim. So you're going to take a jet ski and you don't know how to swim.
See when we got a fight going on at the bar?
You like you've been drinking something. What have you been drinking?
No, honestly, like I said, I'm not, yeah. All I'm saying.
You gotta finish your sentence.
Boating in the summer can provide a perfect escape from the heat, but what happens when the captains can't take the heat from the police? We've wrangled 6 of the wildest Florida boating arrests, all caught on Bodycam. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Sam Goldberg. Hey, we're going to get into After Hours in just a second, I promise, but I want to tell you about the super cool, easy-to-use app. It's called Upside. It's a free app that gets you actual cash back on gas, groceries, daily essentials. Super easy to use. It's real cash back. Shows up in your Upside account, then you just transfer it straight into your bank account. The other day, I was pumping my gas. I used Upside, got almost $8 back. So once you have the app, you claim an offer for whatever you're buying on Upside, pay as usual using your debit or credit card. You follow the steps on the app, and you get paid. So to find out how much you could earn, click the link in the description to download Upside or scan the QR code on screen. Use our promo code AFTERHOURS for an extra 25 cents back on every gallon on your first tank of gas. That's promo code AFTERHOURS. We begin today's episode of After Hours with 2 Florida Fish and Wildlife officers patrolling the Atlantic state waters of Monroe County. They're searching for a migrant chug when they come across a vessel at anchor.
Okay, well, it's got no numbers.
1332 Atlantic.
Okay, that's fine. You're on the water. Doesn't matter where you live. You got an ID on you?
Do you have yours?
I have my electronic one.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Okay. I mean, I have my Florida fishing license and everything. I'm a charter boat guy, but...
Okay, do you have like a license of sorts?
No, it's at home.
Okay.
My boater's license, my captain's license, my driver's license.
Cool beans.
Give me yours.
No, we need both of yours.
Okay. Do you have name and date of birth?
Haley Gray, HALEY, GRAY, 91488.
Hang on.
You guys want to tie off?
No, just, you're fine. I'll hold the boat. All right. Neither of you have IDs.
Nope.
Who's okay.
This is, I work on the Gulf Stream, Key West. This is one of our other mates, Ethan. His trailer got towed the other day, so we tied it up behind our house. We live right there at 1332 Atlantic.
Okay.
So it's just been there, so we kind of popped out. I didn't realize he didn't have
What is your
numbers
first
on.
name?
AJ, or Anthony.
Anthony, middle initial.
J. Staggs.
JSTAGGS?
Yep.
Date of birth?
10786.
10786. You, ma'am? First name?
Haley, HALEY.
HALEY. Can you help me hold the boat? Thanks. Middle initial?
A.
Where are you guys from?
Florida. Massachusetts. A. Last name?
Gray, GRAY.
Date of birth?
9/14/88.
Okay. And then, do you know the registration for this? Do you have it on board?
Nope. Unless it's in here, like I said, it's not my boat.
Well, that sucks because you're operating a vessel.
There you go.
Okay, perfect.
There you go. How about that?
Let's see if Ethan Phillip Cook.
Yeah, I thought y'all were looking for a chub.
Well, we were until we saw you had violations on the
Did you?
on the water. Sure did.
Okay. Hopefully his shit's in order. Like I said,
Well, it's not because
he told me I was good to take his boat out. So.
Well, if you're a captain, you're supposed to have numbers on it and shit.
9442 Marathon Tiffany vessel.
Catching people breaking the law.
You have a crime on the water.
I don't know what your attitude is, but just relax. It's not that deep. It really isn't.
Chub.
Yeah, and then obviously we're addressing violations that we address because we're a cop and that's what we do.
AJ.
Okay, you're still on the water, but you are arguing with us. It's ridiculous.
Ah.
I'm sorry. All right, I'm not trying to make it worse. Like,
Yeah, well,
I know
okay,
y'all got
but
a job to
seriously.
do.
Just stop. talking.
Officer Winter conducts a background check on the captain and passenger while dispatch notifies her about an outstanding warrant.
Hey, listen. You have a warrant, and they're going to confirm it, all right?
what?
I don't know what for what. What's in your hand? Okay, cool.
Nothing, a vape.
My question is this. Are you going to fight me, or are you going to run?
So you tell me this, are you about to take me to jail?
Probably.
Then, like, for
Can
real.
we wait for the confirmation and
Look,
stop
I didn't do
defending
nothing
our-
wrong.
I'm not saying you did. Listen. Hey, look at me. Don't add another
I don't
charge.
want to go to jail on a Sunday, and I can't do nothing about
Well,
it.
hey, listen, it's better because at least Monday.
not.
Yes, it is because at least it's not Friday.
Okay, so
And all, listen, look at me. Regardless,
Stop.
Anthony, look at me. Regardless, I still have to do my job. But don't add another charge and
You're
have
right.
to stay in longer. All right? It's
No,
not
you're
worth
right.
it.
You're right, but no, I don't have any warrants that I know about
Okay.
other than.
Other than what?
If you look, listen,
I am listening.
I'm not trying to add another charge.
I
I'm not
understand.
trying to do nothing stupid. I
Okay.
was not doing nothing wrong. We were in our backyard. So if I jump in the water and swim away right now, what's gonna happen?
I'm gonna follow you, and
Okay.
we're gonna say that you're running, and that's fleeing and
But am I
eluding.
running right now, or am I in my backyard? Because you haven't told me I'm under arrest or I have a warrant. So right now, if I jump in the water and swim
Then you're
away, be
fleeing
real
and
with me.
eluding. I'm telling
Stop.
you. Listen to what I'm saying. You are not free to leave. You are
I
not
don't
free to
have-
leave.
I don't have anything that I did
It
wrong.
doesn't matter. You are detained right now.
You are being detained. If you flee and elude, it's a third-degree felony. Or it's actually a
But
first-degree
you're telling
felony.
me you're taking me to jail today regardless.
If the warrant comes back, yes.
So can you talk to me first? Like, because right now you're like trying to, I feel attacked right now and like.
I'm way on the other boat. I'm
You're
just
saying
holding
a
the boat.
protection order.
AJ, look at me. Please
Haley.
just sit down and let them finish this whole thing without freaking out.
It's just
Without
not gonna help
freaking
anything.
out.
Yes,
You
I
are.
understand. This is stressful. I'm stressed for you and with you, but please, you're making it worse.
Yeah, man.
I
Please.
didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. You
I
don't
did-
even know I'm AJ. I could be Ethan Cook right now, right?
Oh my God, shut up.
Like, come on. Like, I'm
When?
just saying.
Like-
Like, why are you, like, do you really feel like I need to go to jail today?
It's not my feeling.
It's not our choice. It's
Okay.
not. We're not charging you. If you have a warrant, then legally our job is we have to take you to jail.
But you
Well,
don't know
if you
yet,
go,
right?
listen, if you jump in the water and swim away, you're adding a felony.
It's just
So
not worth
But
it.
you don't know
Stop.
yet, right?
What are
No,
you
I don't
doing?
know.
You don't know yet if I'm wanted, right?
I don't know.
So, technically,
But
I
you're
have
not
known
free to
that
leave.
yet.
I'm telling you right
I'm
now.
under arrest.
You are being detained.
9442
You are
Marathon.
detained. You are detained. You are detained. That means you are not free to leave.
Listen, Haley.
Legally, you are not free to leave.
I'm not fighting you. I'm not
Legally,
fighting
you are not free to leave.
Stupid question.
doing that.
You're asking stupid questions.
Listen, I'm not doing that.
Stop.
I'll deal with it the right way when I can have a
Yeah,
lawyer
you're
take
not
me to
right
court
now.
and like do it. Not
You
because
can say
I
that
don't wanna go
whenever
to
this
jail.
is done.
What is he saying?
It's someone else's house.
Like, come on, guys, for real. Why do you want to take me to jail today?
I don't wanna take you to
Let me
jail.
know I have something that I need to handle, and I'll do it.
That's not how that works, unfortunately. Like,
Hey,
it's just not how it
I'm
works.
sorry.
I understand it's frustrating. I understand no one wants to hear those words. We get it. We're not.
So y'all are just gonna leave her by her own if I go swim away.
No, if anything.
Like, you see what I'm saying right now?
Anthony.
It's not fair. This
Because
is not fair.
this isn't like a bartering thing. That's the
I'm
thing.
not trying to barter with you.
Stop talking.
They were looking.
Please, for me. Shut the up.
They're telling me
Shut
they're gonna take me to jail
up. Okay,
unless they
I
tell them it's a
understand.
protection warrant.
Stop talking.
The protection has nothing to do with it. The protection order is completely different. Whenever I was asking about the protection order, I was trying to make sure you weren't with the person that you were with the protection order. That has nothing to do with it. Anthony,
Bro, like you're trying to take. Like, I work here, I live here, I'm local.
We
Like,
understand.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Look, we
man.
understand the frustration.
You
We're
want to take
not.
me to jail instead of telling me, hey AJ, figure
That's-
it out and take care of it tomorrow.
that is
Like,
just
that's
not-
how you do with
that's-
somebody that you work here with.
That's
You're
not how
trying
it
to take me
works.
to jail and say,
Legally,
"Figure
we are
it
not
out
allowed to.
tomorrow."
Legally,
You're not
we
trying to do
cannot
anything
interact
right
with
now.
someone with a warrant
You
and
just
leave
won't
you.
stop running your mouth.
But they said they don't know if I have a
Stop
warrant.
talking, please.
I understand it's frustrating. I'm not saying it's not frustrating. I understand, and I'm sorry you're feeling this way, truly. But our job, we cannot speak to someone with a warrant and then be like, okay, deal with it later. That's just
I
we
understand,
can't do
I
that.
understand.
so either you jump in the water and you're fleeing police, regardless.
Now I have an F3 plus the warrant, right?
Yes.
So now I have 2 warrants. that I
And then
have
if
to
you
deal with.
resist, that's another one.
I'm not resisting you.
I'm not saying
Right
that. I'm
now,
saying
you
if
Can you please stop
Yeah,
talking?
I'm about to stop
Thank
talking.
You. No, you're not. You haven't done that for like 20 minutes.
so. Listen. What I'm saying is this: when I put handcuffs on you, if you resist me, that's another charge.
I'm not going to.
I'm not saying you are.
But
I'm
if
trying
I-
to give
but
you
if I
put
do
the.
this after
Hey,
you-
listen. God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth to listen twice as good, right? So listen to what I'm saying.
Whatever, please.
I don't want to add charges onto this. You could be out tomorrow morning, right? Your bond could be like $500, and you're literally out as soon as you get there. Does that make sense?
You didn't tell me that yet.
My point is, listen, man. Look at me. I can even tell you. Let me see. I'll look it up for you.
427, Quebec 536 010
Like for no reason.
7109
Nobody said that.
70.
They're checking. They're running your stuff. Like even if you got pulled over in your vehicle on the street today.
Listen, man, you got violations on the water. That's that. All right? Number 2, your bond is going to be $3,000. Because it's $30,000 total, you pay 10%. It says to destroy tarpon bond, photo and science bond, something tarpon, hook, line and gear bond, something about tarpon. Cruel death or excessive or repeated infliction on unnecessary pain and suffering.
That
Marathon
9411. Bro.
Can you please stop talking?
Is that your husband?
It's my
Okay.
be driven to the place tomorrow. And
No, it is not. Listen. No, it's not the offense, it's the warrant. So the warrant, regardless, because we are here now, we have to take him to jail. But if you have $3,000, you can bail him out as soon as he gets in. Or you can get a bail bondsman, and then as long as you show up to court, they won't come after you.
Okay. But I'm gonna swim home right now.
Okay, well,
So,
I'm gonna follow you, and there's...
Stop. You can listen. I don't have the $3,000 to get out today. Go.
AJ, I swear to God, I will be gone tomorrow if you jump in that water.
If they take me to jail and I let them take me?
No,
It's
if you
just
go
not
in there,
worth
it's worse.
it. It's
It
just
is
not.
worse.
It's gonna make.
You're
It's gonna
adding
work.
a felony. You're adding a felony on top of that.
You will never be able.
Anybody.
And give me your box.
You will never be able to get a notice to appear. Like you're screwing yourself legally for long term if you do that. This is not worth it. The judge is gonna look at it. It's just not gonna help you. It seriously
It is
isn't.
not gonna help you. You're gonna end up screwing.
I'm telling you.
Notice to appear,
Yeah.
okay?
What is your passcode for your phone?
Listen.
Let me just put you in handcuffs.
No.
AJ,
No, listen.
what is
Come
your
here.
passcode
Stop, please.
to your
AJ,
phone?
I'm not doing. I'm staying right
I
here.
can't help you if you don't give me your password to your phone. Give it to me.
Stop.
Give it to
Turn
me.
around and talk to her.
Give it to
Listen,
me.
I'm sorry.
What
but
is it?
Listen,
I can't help you.
Listen, just get back on your boat. You can give me the F3.
AJ,
but
I
look,
can't
I'm gonna
help
go home.
you.
You're not taking me to jail today.
Well,
Stop.
you're gonna add resisting because I'm
No,
gonna stop you from
I'm
resisting.
not resisting unless you tell me
Please.
to stop.
AJ, stop.
Listen,
AJ.
you're telling me I'm resisting and I'm not.
You are because I'm
Work
telling
with
you
me.
to come here.
You can
You
give
work
me
with
the other
me.
charge. Give me the other
Give me
charge
the
and tell them I
code.
swam away.
No.
Give me the code. I need it. I can't help
Can you
you.
go radio and tell him he's trying to leave?
I
You
don't
can. Tell him I'm trying to
I
leave.
don't
That's fine.
have your
No,
I'm not
you're gonna
resisting.
come here. Come here.
AJ, I
You're
don't have your
resisting.
boss's
No,
phone
no.
number.
Got it. Hey, listen, I'm sorry. Hey.
9442 Marathon. The subject is fleeing.
I don't have any way to do anything, AJ. I am gone after this. I'm telling you.
He's also
I'm leaving.
resisting without violence.
I'm leaving. I can't. I don't know how to drive a boat.
We will be right back for you,
We'll be
ma'am.
right back.
I'm sorry you have to sit there, but we will be right back. We will be right back for her. She's anchored. Then you should have made the decision to sit with your girlfriend if you're worried about her, because she's anchored right now. You're leaving her. Think about that.
You're more worried about me than her?
Yeah.
She's fine right now. She's not in distress. She's anchored. You are being selfish right now. Stop. Stop. Do not put this on anyone else. You're projecting and displacing blame. Stop.
She needs help.
Grow up. Stop. You're being emotional. You're letting your emotions get the best of you, dude.
No.
It's not that deep, dude. It's not that deep.
If I
Just get in the boat. Just get in the freaking boat.
Hey, where are you by land right now?
I get it. Go help him.
No.
Okay, how about you come this way? And he's trying to swim to land. I don't think he's gonna make it, but yeah, he literally jumped off the boat and trying to swim to land. We might be able to get him in the boat, but he's being absolutely ridiculous. So we're literally right. What? Yeah, just in case he does make. I mean, he's swimming like a fish towards White Street Pier.
Knock on in the boat. Go help him.
That's fine. That's cool. We're just gonna wait for you.
Drive the boat. I'm fucking floating away.
Yeah, please. Sounds good.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, you're the one that did that. Don't blame me for your problem.
Yes, you did. We just told you 3 times, dude.
9412.
Just sit back and let him tire himself out. He's an idiot. Put the lights on. Are the lights on? Turn the lights on.
Roughly 30 minutes later, Anthony makes it to shore. Once in shallow water, officers jump in to detain him.
You done? How deep we got? I'm just gonna hop up. Are you done or what? Seriously, this is absolutely. We're done. We're done. We're done. What did you think was gonna happen? Seriously, what did? Dude, stop! You.
Hey, I'm not.
All right, then figure it out.
I'm not.
Stop moving then.
Hey, I'm not.
Stop.
I'm not doing it.
You just work. Do you not know how to? We're past that point. So far past it's not even funny.
Is that a cop right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all cops.
Listen, I'm sorry, guys.
They're not.
You're just being an idiot. I don't get why. I really don't.
I'm trying to leave.
That's not an option. What are you comprehending?
Still want to go.
I understand it's frustrating you, but this ain't gonna help you.
Go to jail.
That sucks, yeah, but guess what? You're not avoiding it, so I don't know why you're putting through everyone this.
Okay. Okay, hold on.
No.
Walk. You made it all this way. What's another 20 feet, right?
For the charges on Anthony's warrant, he's arrested for possession of a tarpon without a tag and harvesting a tarpon with prohibited gear. For jumping into the water, he picks up resisting arrest without violence and attempting to elude a law enforcement officer. He pleaded not guilty to all charges. At the time of this recording, his trial's pending. Next, we have a Florida Fish and Wildlife duo, Officer Burkhead and Officer Ramos. The partners are patrolling the Blue Angels air show event in Pensacola Bay when they encounter a boat having a little too much fun.
I'm gonna get him to show me a couple things. I ain't gonna go through everything. If I see it, I'll nail it.
It's standard procedure for officers to determine impairment of an operator during a Florida Vessel Safety Act search.
All right. You're the operator. I don't want anybody else to help with the safety stuff, okay? Can you show me a life jacket for everybody on board? No, we're not going to board.
Hey, I did renew it as well. I just forgot to put the sticker on. I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. We'll worry about it in a minute. Nobody helps.
Alright. Well, they're all under there, and then they're under there. Where Michael and Gabby is. Michael and Caitlin.
Pensacola Bay Sheriff, you got a copy? I'm looking at your per diem coming in.
4134.
1098, one with you. Yes, please.
Okay, perfect. All right, listen closely. I need a copy of the registration, a fire extinguisher, and a Type 4 throwable. I don't want anybody to help.
Yeah, oh yeah, the throwable's on the side.
Don't help.
Stay still. It's under there. It's in that cabin. On the wall. Multiple times.
Nick completes the first safety task, but quickly forgets the rest of the instructions.
Okay, so is it your boat?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you remember what else I asked you for?
Registration of Type 4 fire extinguisher and the throwable. Yes, sir.
No, sir, I did not ask for that. Do you remember what I asked you for?
The throwable and the Type 4 fire extinguisher?
No, sir, I asked you for a whistle or a horn, a Type 4 throwable device, and a fire extinguisher. Right, I see some alcohol in the boat. How much have you had? Listen to me. On a scale from 1 being stone cold sober, 10 being drunk, how impaired do you think you are?
Probably about 6 beers.
Probably about 6 beers. Okay, do you think you're okay to drive a boat?
Maybe, I think so, yes, sir.
All right. Would you mind if we checked your eyes for impairment? All right, that'd be good if you can get that. All right. Just be careful as you can. All right, take it. Come with me.
The thunder rains on Nick's party parade as he steps over to the officer's boat for the field sobriety tests.
Okay, I'm going to check your eyes. Hold your head still and follow the stimulus with your eyes and your eyes only. The stimulus will be the tip of this pin, okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Where did y'all come from today?
Marquis Basin.
Marquis Basin? Okay. That's where your truck and trailer and everything is at?
That's where my house is.
That's where you live? Okay. So it's not going on a trailer, it's going on the water?
I'm in a boat dock.
Okay, very good. All right, so you're the owner. Come over here for a minute. You're not in trouble, but I need to see.
All right.
I just wanted to verify some stuff with you, okay?
Okay.
All right. How much have you had to drink today?
Like very little.
Very little?
Yes, sir.
You consider yourself probably the most sober person on the boat?
I'm very sober, yeah.
You're very sober. Okay, I just want to take a look at your eyes.
Yeah,
If
I've
we
had
end up,
less than 2 beers all day.
okay, good deal. So if we end up going to have to do something with this gentleman here, I want to make sure that I can entrust the boat over to you, okay?
Okay.
So all I want to do right here is just take a look at your eyes for my own confidence to see
All right.
if we go that direction. I don't know yet, but we're going to find out. So you can't be in trouble at this point, but I just want to make sure you're not impaired. So if we release the boat to you, I know that it's safe.
Okay.
Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So open up both eyes. All the best that you can. All right, very good. I'm just going to take a look at your eyes. Look at the tip of my finger right there. All right, keep your head still. Follow my finger only with your eyes.
Okay.
No, keep your head still. Can you not open that other eye?
So it doesn't dilate. I got like shot in the eye, so it doesn't like get smaller. My pupils
So
don't
it's
get
just a
smaller.
natural thing.
Yeah,
Like
that's why. Yeah, I don't have to. No, it's not natural. I got shot in the eye.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, keep your head still. All right, just follow it. Yeah, it's a little bit different.
Sorry, the rain. Can't make this up.
I know, right?
Yeah, for real. Can't make this up.
Just when it can't get much worse for Nick, it starts to hail.
Drifting in that boat.
Okay, right.
All right, bumper back. Back.
Tango Mike. Okay.
I also want to thank Morgan & Morgan for being such a proud sponsor of After Hours. Every single week with After Hours, the people on these body cams, it proves just how scary and unpredictable the world can be, especially when you're out driving. And one of the scariest things that can happen to you is if you get into an accident. But it's important to realize if you've been in an accident, your case, it could actually be worth millions. And that's where Morgan & Morgan comes in. They have an army of over 1,000 attorneys. And these attorneys are going to fight for what you deserve. And they have the track record to prove it. In the past few months, Morgan & Morgan won verdicts like $12 million in Florida, $26 million in Philadelphia, and $6.8 million in New York. All of these, by the way, way higher than the highest insurance offer. Even if your case isn't worth millions, why not start a claim and try to get the money that you deserve? Seeing if you have a case, all it takes 8 clicks or less, and their fee is absolutely free unless you win. They're only getting paid if you're getting paid. So if you're injured, you can easily start a claim at forthepeople.com/afterhours or click the link in the description and pinned in the comments.
3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
That's going to be the owner of the vessel that you're in. Put your hands down at your side.
Yes, sir.
Nick fails the sobriety test, so officers arrest him. Before taking him into custody, Officer Ramos checks in with his friends about his belongings.
Listen to me. Do y'all have his cell phone in there so we can call somebody? Take a seat right here. Yes, sir. Unfortunately so. He's going to Escambia County Jail, okay? Can't have him operating on the waters like this. That's part of the reason why we're out here, unfortunately. I don't like meeting people under these circumstances, but it is what it is, okay?
Sit. Hey, sit down. Sit. That's why you don't stand up. Don't get up again.
Officers transport Nick to the station to check his BAC and coach him on how to blow.
Keep going, it's gonna suck. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Every time you stop,
Yeah, man.
I know it's hard, man. Treat it like a take a deep breath. Alright. Ready? Go. Blow, 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 blow.
I tried, dude. I stand. How long is it?
It's long. Just give it one more shot, alright? Is that? Alright, ready? Go. Blow. Are you blowing? I don't think you're blowing. I don't hear you blowing. Blow, 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 blow. Are you blowing?
Dude, I'm about to pass out. Like, I can't blow. I mean, Can't blow on nothing any harder than that between us three.
Need one of these. I got it. I know it now.
Right.
They both should be universal.
Yeah, they are. Are you ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright, blow. Go. Blow, 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 blow until it stops making that noise. You can't stop blowing.
As soon as it tunes out, it'll stop toning. You got sample.
Every time you stop, it'll stop. So keep blowing. Just give it all you got. Okay. We gotta do it one more time, right? We gotta do that one more time, and the pain is over. Okay.
If you're blowing, you hear the tone. That means it's accepting your breath. If you stop blowing, that's when you don't hear a tone. So you have to keep blowing. To hear the tone.
All right.
So,
You good?
We gotta do it one more time.
what do you say? Keep on it.
We gotta blow on it one more. We gotta get
Okay,
2 samples.
that's
All right.
See, that's when we know you're blowing. Like, if we don't hear a tone, it means you're not putting air.
Yeah, when I see you, I can see you breathing in here because it'll fill up.
Yeah.
If you, I can tell when you're not, when you are, and this machine can tell as well.
Okay.
So you got to just everything you got. I know it sucks, but you got to give it all you got.
Yeah, it's been vaping for too long. I guess.
All right, you ready? Well, hold on. It's got 14 seconds. Are you ready, man? Give it all you got. Blow, 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 blow. Doing good. Gotta keep blowing, man.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it
Yep.
was.
Don't forget. Just blow, 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 blow. Don't stop breathing. It's almost over. Don't stop. Almost there. Keep it. All right.
Try.
All right. Give it one more shot. You got to do it. All right.
Yeah.
Come on with it. Deep breath and give it all you got.
Slow and easy.
Slow and easy. Yeah.
Nick's charged with boating under the influence. No further information was found regarding the outcome of Nick's case at the time of this recording. Next, Officer Christmas of FWC is on duty on Father's Day when he observes a vessel circling around the docks at the Villano boat ramp. Worried someone's going to get hurt, he yells out to get the operator's attention.
Come here. Hey! Come here. Come here. Hey! You come here!
Several minutes later, the operator's finally in a manageable position to dock the boat.
How y'all doing? New boat? Okay. Well, it looks like that. Can you safely pull up here? All right. No, I ain't laughing at you. I just don't want you to hurt yourself or somebody else.
The crew of 3 work on tying the boat while the officer asks the captain some follow-up questions.
Your boat? This your boat? Your boat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you get the registration while you're looking for that rope?
Here we go. We're doing another $890 fine.
I hadn't wrote you no tickets yet. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know you.
I know how it rolls. I already had one. And it was in a pretty picture. And the thing was that I was actually in the
You have your ID with you also?
yeah, I got everything.
All right, let me take a look at it. How long have you had your boat?
About like 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah, but I still don't understand it.
Okay. Why don't you try that off?
The captain's identified as 45-year-old Israel Lopez, and he's showing signs of impairment.
How much you had to drink today?
Wow, come on, man.
I know it is. How much you had today?
I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm safe.
I know.
I can't tell you how much I had to drink because it's irrelevant.
324.
Which way you want to go?
Okay, I'm gonna ask you to do some field sobriety exercise. You agreeable to that?
335. Go ahead and pay that over. I wasn't the one driving the boat the whole time.
Okay. I understand.
So
But you were driving the boat.
why you want to do a sobriety test on me? Why should do a sobriety test on him that he was the one driving it?
Tests. The test is a pass or fail.
Excuse me?
The test is a pass or fail.
You want to go against me?
I don't know you, man.
I already have a DUI.
Then why are you drinking and operating the boat?
I wasn't the one driving it.
You were. I just seen you. Matter of fact, these people are yelling about your reckless operation that are sitting here watching you. But you were driving. You said it's your boat, right? How often do you drive it? You had it for 2 years? You said you had it 2 years, right?
No, I actually only had it for 1 year.
Okay. You mind if I check your eyes real quick?
My eyes?
Mm-hmm. You said you had a stroke.
Yeah.
So are you diabetic?
Yeah, I am diabetic. This whole thing is still numbed.
Okay.
This whole side is
Listen to me. Do you need rescue up here?
No. Why?
You said you're diabetic. You're exhibiting signs of an impaired operator, so I'm trying to determine whether you're having a diabetic emergency or you're impaired. If you need rescue to come up check your blood sugar, then we can do that.
You're making it too far. I'm still stable.
I'm not making it too far. I've been in law enforcement for 38 years. I owe you protection, your family, or whoever's on your boat.
We're good.
Okay, well, I'm trying to make sure you're good.
I'm good.
Okay.
It's okay. Listen.
Okay.
Impaired eyes, go ahead. Do what you
Okay,
want
can
to
you
do.
see out of both eyes?
No, this side is actually kind of like, yeah, that's the thing.
What?
This side is kind of like faded.
Can you see me with that eye?
Oh, yeah, I can see you right here. I can see
Okay, you wear
everything. I see
contacts?
your right and your left hand.
You wear contacts?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Officer Christmas separates Israel from his family to explain why it's in his best interest to participate in some field sobriety tests.
Listen, the field sobriety exercises, what they are, they're divided attention tasks. I'm trying to... No, I haven't made a decision. I'm trying to make a decision. But if you don't take the field sobriety exercises, you're going to make me make a decision based on my training experience, what I see, smell, and hear, the totality of the circumstances. So I'm asking you to take the field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief that you're not an impaired operator. Are you agreeable to that?
I agree with you and everything else, but yet then again, I'm going to do the exam.
I can't.
You're going to try to make me look up. I can't lift it.
No, these are seated. You're in a marine environment. These are seated. You don't have to walk the line and stuff like that, hold the leg up and all that kind of stuff. They're seated. What light thing? I don't have a light.
I mean, whatever you did with my
It's not a pass or fail, okay? What I was checking is what they call horizontal gaze nystagmus. It's the involuntary jerking of your eyeball. Your eye should track as it follows an object like rolling a marble across a piece of glass. Your eyes are twitching. The more they twitch as soon as they start to track, the higher impairment you are, okay? So there's a total of 6 clues. You have all 6 clues in your eyes.
You see them?
Yeah, I saw them. So what I'm trying to do, you're here to help me. I appreciate that. Okay, so
if I'm going to get arrested, they should get arrested and get it over.
Okay, so you're refusing to take the field
No,
sobriety
I didn't say
exercise?
that. I said if I'm here to get arrested.
Well, I'm asking you to take the remaining field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief.
The thing, but if I'm going to get arrested,
I haven't made that decision yet.
But that's
See, that's why I'm asking you to take the field sobriety exercises so you can dispel my belief that you're not an impaired operator.
I wasn't driving.
You were driving. You asked about the video camera? Yeah, it's got you video spinning around out there and stuff.
It's just like when I went to the spring. I help a person out. I tell them, don't be drinking. You got an open can.
Then why are you drinking?
I wasn't driving.
You were driving.
I know there's something here.
I got you on video driving, man. Come on.
Right,
Are you so impaired that you don't remember driving?
I remember.
You remember?
Wait, watch your words.
Well, you're telling me you weren't driving, and I'm telling you you were. So, are you agreeable to take the field sobriety exercises, yes or no? And let me explain what they are, okay? One's called the palm pats. Like you take your hands, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, like that. Then hand coordination is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then put them down by your side, and then finger to nose with your head tilted back and your eyes closed. Those are the field sobriety exercises. Are you agreeable to that?
Once Israel agrees to participate, his wife then interrupts.
You must touch your left index finger to your nose.
Donna, back
Go
up.
stand over
I
there.
need you to back up.
You can
Donna,
record all
back
you
up
want, but you're not
towards
going to
the Mazda.
interfere.
Donna, back up towards the Mazda, please. Just back up
You just
towards
told
the
her to-
Mazda.
They're as far as I
Joanna,
I'm going to put you in jail if you don't back up.
Joanna, listen to
Simple
me.
as that.
Stop making
For
matters
interfering.
worse. I'm agreeing.
You can haul all you want.
Joanna!
Back up and stop interfering.
Come on, God. I should never done this. I'm so sorry.
$63.75.
Back
See if
up.
the city or the county's got
Joanna!
somebody to come down here.
No,
Stand by.
come on, man. We're down. God damn it, man. Here we go. I'm going to jail.
And if she comes over here again, you can express to her that she's going to be arrested.
She's not.
Okay. So I'm going to start this again, okay? Listen to me. Listen to me, okay?
Yes, sir.
You make a fist with both hands, you extend your index fingers and turn your palms forward like this, okay? Remain in this position while I explain the task. You understand that? Okay. When I say begin, you tilt your head back about 45 degrees and you close your eyes. It's like this. Your eyes closed, okay? When I tell you to, touch the tip of your nose, touch your nose with the tip of your index finger and immediately return it to your side. It's like this. If I say right, come up with your right index finger, touch the tip. Look at me. If I say right, come up with your right index finger, touch it, come back down. If I say left, come up and touch it and come back down. You understand? All right. So when I say right, you must touch your right index finger to your nose. When I say left, you must touch your left index finger to your nose. Do you understand that? Okay. Begin.
Again?
Yep.
45 degrees backwards.
Close your eyes. Okay, with your left.
Are you telling me to touch my nose with my left?
You understood the instructions, right?
I heard you, but I need you to hear you. I'm deaf in one ear, too. Please, just be louder.
Based on Israel's performance, it's clear Israel's under the influence.
Why were you operating a vessel?
My friend.
Your friend what?
My friend. I wasn't operating.
You were operating a vessel.
Because he had a pink belt on my truck. That's my truck.
Right. So why didn't you let him just pull your vessel up and tie it up to the dock and go get your truck? You think that would have been smarter?
Could have been, but nobody was thinking of this. Somebody just dropped me off and I'll get your truck. I'm not here to argue.
I'm not arguing with you. I just asked you.
That's right.
Okay. All right, stand up for me. Have any knives, guns, hanging, or anything like that?
I'll give you everything.
No, I'm telling you. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes.
Put your hands like you're praying, okay? Put your hands like you're praying. Christmas.
Please.
Christmas.
Yo, I'm sorry.
Christmas is my name. Okay, so stop interfering because you're interfering now.
Is there a reason for detainment, sir?
He's not. He's under arrest.
For what?
Back up or you're going to jail with him.
Put me in jail.
No, please,
I'll
please,
put you.
Don't do it, please. I'm here with you. I'm not gonna run. I won't run. I swear to God. Right, Joe. God. Please, don't do it. Please, don't do it. Right.
I'll give a
Right, Joe. Don't do it,
Come
please.
here.
Don't do it, please. I'm with you. I'm here right
You're
here.
under arrest.
No, please.
You're
don't
under
do
arrest.
It. Don't do it, please.
You're under arrest. Come here.
Please.
Come here. You're under arrest.
Sure, I'm with you. Sure, I'm with you.
You're under arrest. Come over here. Put your hands on the car.
I'm
The one in
with you.
yellow.
I'm with you. I'm with you. Don't do it, please. Sir, don't do it.
Back up or you're going with her.
Don't do it.
Back up or you're going with her.
Don't do it. Sir, I'm with you.
Back up or you're going with her.
You got control of all this. Christmas. You got control. I'm with you. I'm with you, Christmas. I'm with you. Don't do it. Christmas, I'm with
If
you.
you interfere again, you're going with her.
Christmas. I'm with you. Christmas, don't do it. Oh my God.
You're under arrest.
No,
You're under.
don't do it.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Oh my God, don't.
Put your hand behind your back.
Christmas.
What the hell is wrong with you, man? Oh my goodness. What the is wrong?
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Oh my goodness, what the
I don't have a second set of cuffs.
Christmas, please. Christmas.
What the wrong with you?
Christmas. Come on, please.
You got a second set of cuffs.
Please, Christmas. I'm right
What
here.
the wrong with you
me.
people?
Christmas, just
Back
take
up.
me. Please, Christmas, just take me.
Hey, you're hurting my arm.
Christmas, just take
Well,
me.
then stop
please,
resisting.
Christmas.
Nobody's
Christmas, I'm right here.
You're hurting
I
my
obeyed
arm.
all your rules.
Nobody has done anything.
Papa 20 on 77 $7. We're 10-4. We got 3 secured.
No, it took two
Okay.
What the is wrong with you? Man? Nobody was even near you.
Here's her. Okay, I don't have ID on her. Don't have ID on him.
Nobody was near you. Nobody's even resisting. Nobody even touched you. Nobody said nothing to you.
15 was free, and I've sprayed one. Okay, let's put her in your car. Let me get him. Let me get him. Put him in my truck.
Fire rescue? What the kind of question is that?
I'm just asking.
Hey, he's my.
What the
Seriously, nobody was around you. No anything to you, man. You even.
He's signal 1. So.
That's alright. I got it.
2 females in your car. Put him in his.
I tell you what, hold her, and I'll get my truck open where you can.
You don't have to squeeze me hard. I ain't going nowhere.
Why am I getting pushed around? I was with you, bro.
Listen, man, because your family's trying to jump on the dang police.
I know that. And I'm trying to.
Okay.
But me and Chris, we have an understanding.
Let me make sure there's a double locks.
Yeah, I don't have nothing. I have nothing.
Well, we didn't realize we were in so much trouble. We would have gone faster.
They backed up and they stopped.
Come on,
but once I arrested him, that's when they came back up again.
Now that the captain of the vessel's under arrest, officers now must determine who to release the boat to.
And this one's going to jail. I need their names and stuff, and I'll do the dockets on them.
Okay.
For what? For what?
Resisting and opposing.
No, we weren't.
Okay, go to court. You'll have to go to court. I've been in law enforcement 38 years. Yes, you were.
I was not.
And she's going to be as an attorney or whatever and tell me what I can and can't do. That's not going to happen. You're not going to interfere. Both of y'all were interfering.
No, honey.
Okay.
We were not interfering.
Okay, well, I disagree with you. We'll see what a jury or a judge thinks, okay?
We weren't. You told us to get away, and we did. You were
Who owns the boat? He owns the boat. What do you want done with your boat? Has anybody not been drinking that we can release your boat to? You're going to jail. You're not getting the boat. Huh?
JJ!
And tell him to get.
JJ!
We stayed away.
6317 account.
We'll probably have to transport these two.
Send rescue down here if you would.
None of us have been. That's my daughter. We've never
Yeah,
been
and I need to try to get her some water on her face because I sprayed her.
She said she didn't want any water.
Well, I want to get it on video that she's refusing it, okay?
Oh, when rescue gets here, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go sit in the car for now, just so you don't have to stand up.
Anybody here not drinking?
No, sir. None of us.
Are you an adult?
I'm 19.
Okay. You're with them?
That's my dad.
Okay.
Is there any way I can talk to him real quick?
Yeah. In a minute. Are you can take the vessel.
I can trailer it and we can use a rope to bring it in, and I can drive it home.
Do you have a boater safety card?
Yes, sir, right here.
Okay,
Well, I think of the card. I took the license and everything.
All right, let me see your ID.
Yes, sir, right here.
Because I got to get your name, then I'm releasing it to you.
All right, let me show you this, and then here's my ID.
Okay. Okay. Stand by just a second. Let me make sure that's what he wants to do, okay? Hey man, listen to me. Listen, this is your son?
Yes, sir.
You want him to take your boat so I don't have to tow your boat?
I've been good to you, please.
You have been good. Okay. You don't want your boat towed, right?
No, please.
You want him to take custody of your boat? Okay, that's fine.
Hey, you take my truck, man.
Yeah, as long as his driver's license good stuff and he ain't been drinking, that's good.
Israel's arrested and charged with operating a vessel while normal faculty's impaired. He pleaded no contest and is sentenced to 1 year of probation, 50 hours of community service, and $50 in fines. His daughter, Rachel's arrested and charged with resisting arrest without violence. She also pleaded no contest and received a fine of $323. Now an hour down the coast in Ormond Beach. That's where reports come into the police department about an in-progress theft. The suspect, 48-year-old Ronald Williams, struggles to start the engine of an allegedly stolen jet ski, but he decides to float away on it anyways. A quick-witted deputy approaches a nearby family.
Hey guys, quick question.
Yes, sir.
We got a guy down here that's trying to steal a jet ski. He's on the jet ski in the river. Is there any way you could take a couple of us down there to him?
Sure.
Okay.
You wanna take the boat? You can take it, come back.
He's willing to let us use the boat. You can. I know you got lots of boating experience.
Deputies then race over to the suspected thief, who's casually floating down the intercoastal waterway.
Hey! Right here. Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office! Show us your hands! Put your hands up! Come over here! Come over here! What? Swim! So you're gonna take a jet ski and you don't know how to swim? Yeah,
Did you catch that? Ronald, who willingly drifts into the ocean, doesn't know how to swim.
Look, I'm tossing you this rope. Tie it to the front of the jet ski. Do you have any weapons on you? Take this line and tie it to the front of the jet ski. Any weapons, guns, knives, anything. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm Sergeant Turner, by the way.
Nice
I gave him a card. Okay. I'm Sergeant Turner. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Y'all did great.
Ronald's arrested and charged with grand theft and trespass. He pleaded no contest to grand theft, and his other charge was dismissed. Ronald was sentenced to 71 days in jail and $518 in court fees. Next up, we're at Lake George, where hundreds of people are attending an annual boat party. Then, all of a sudden, a brawl breaks out.
See when we got a fight going on at the bar. Where the DJ deck is, it's about 4 or 5 males fighting.
You're in the middle of all this at Juniper?
Yep, where all the crowd of people are standing.
Why don't you do a low hover and get it dispersed?
10-4. You got one guy pretty bloodied up. They don't have much effect. There's still 2 of them still trying to go at each other.
You come across, what?
You're gonna need rescue. You got one guy on the deck, looks like he's unconscious, bleeding heavily from the face.
Alright, we'll get rescue probably floating that way.
Yeah, he's unconscious. Large guy on the DJ deck.
The rescue team arrives to break up the brawl and provides aid to those in need. Deputies assist the unconscious man onto the boat and then monitor him.
Have a seat, brother. Have a seat. Just have a seat. Have a seat, man. Have a seat. There you go.
While on scene, law enforcement issued 38 boating citations, 108 warnings, and arrested 5 people, 3 of which were for boating under the influence, the other 2 for disorderly conduct. The unconscious man was transported to land and flown to the hospital for treatment. According to police, the man intends to press charges. We end today's episode of After Hours with Lieutenant Lightsey as he approaches a boat arriving at shore without their navigation lights.
Hey guys. Hey, Fish and Wildlife. Yeah, no worries.
How are you, sir?
Hey, good. Y'all doing all right tonight?
Yeah, man, just saved the boy out there.
Woo. Do what?
He should be.
You got somebody else out there?
He should be right behind us.
Who is it?
I just got us in together, man.
Who's behind you out here?
Boy, Jason. Honestly, we just stopped out here.
Jason who? Jason who? Is he in a boat or is he swimming?
He was. I mean, he probably got here before me. Honestly, we were sitting out there. I was getting yelled at.
Who's yelling at you? No, not her.
I was getting yelled at. Yes, sir.
All right.
It's probably the second time I've ran this thing.
All right, real quick, just do a boat safety check. I'm Lieutenant Lightsey with Fish and Wildlife.
Brown, go to.
Oh, 6230 Tazewell, 1050 vessel. Y'all doing all right tonight? All right. Does your lights work on the boat?
Honestly, So I swear to God, you can ask her. I just figured this out. I have a blown fuse. It's right here. I'm not going to lie to you.
1020 is going to be East Marsh, Florida vessel 0891 Hotel Charlie. I'll be 1012 with 2.
The second time, I swear to God.
Oh, okay.
And I have the blown fuse I can show it to you.
No, I believe you.
I'm not lying to you.
Good.
If you look at it, the fuse is blown.
Okay, I believe you. Let's go ahead and check your gear real quick.
Absolutely.
Florida Fish and Wildlife requires vessel operators to display appropriate lights from sunset to sunrise, no matter the weather conditions.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir,
okay.
Nothing.
There, now you can get the AC going for you, huh?
I know, I just want to make sure I don't have bugs on me.
Like I said, I just threw together. I have the title sitting in the truck.
Okay.
I mean, you can look at everything.
You got your ID with you?
Huh?
Is it already registered to you?
It is not. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not even going to lie to you, sir.
I don't think you're going to lie to me.
It's not registered. I just like.
Is this your truck?
Yes,
is it
sir.
registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I just threw it together. I just threw the boat together.
The identity of the captain's redacted and blurred from the body-worn camera, but the man's an open book.
I know it looks like, but I promise you, I just put this thing together. I built the trailer and everything.
All right. How about this is where safety gear is usually kept.
Yes,
You want to
sir.
open it
I
up and
promise
let's
you
see?
There's nothing in there that should be in there. I mean, all there literally is. I mean, there's a whole thing of Fireball. I've got some good times. I'm not gonna lie to you, sir.
So we're getting into time of gator eggs and stuff. Do you have anything in that cooler?
Oh, there's absolutely no. I'm not poaching.
Oh, okay.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Oh,
I'll pull
fine.
out so that way you can see it.
Yeah, good.
I'm not doing. You want me to pull the pool out? Yeah, I'm not doing anything illegal. I mean, I am doing something illegal technically. I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, I'm out here. I'm not illegal. I was trying to impress my girl. I'm trying to take her out, but no, absolutely not.
Yeah, I don't want to slide.
There's nothing gator-wise. There's nothing. I mean, I got some Gatorades. There's a couple White Claws, which I don't know if you can look at me. I don't like the guys drinking White Claws.
No, you don't.
I'm just saying, man.
But you look like you've been drinking something. What have you been drinking?
No, honestly, I mean, like I said, I'm not. Yeah. All I'm saying.
You gotta finish your sentence.
I can promise you that. I can promise you that. There's nothing Gator-wise related. And
go ahead, you can shut it.
If you want.
No, that was nice of you to show me.
If you want, I mean, she hasn't been drinking. She can drive. That was the whole plan.
Okay. She's your driver?
Yeah, she was gonna drive. I said, I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. The Fireball in there probably isn't as old as I probably tried to make it sound. Drank a couple out there. We were just riding around. I mean, literally, you can look at it. I'm sure you're not ignorant to the situation of airboats.
Yeah, no, I've been doing this
together. I bubble gummed it together, man. I'm not the best when it comes to.
Let me try to hop down without busting my butt. I'll tell you what, can you get that cooler?
You want to pull it up?
Yeah, if you want to, let's set it right here.
Absolutely.
What we do is,
absolutely.
I'll check you, make sure you're okay. So, do you know here you go, put it down here for me if you would. No, you don't have to pull it. You don't have to pour it out. I was going to have you sit on it. No, stop, buddy.
Oh, sit on it?
Yeah, you can sit down.
Please, man.
Here, have a seat.
Hey, man, I'll get a ride. I'll do whatever.
Here, have a seat. Have a seat.
Please don't take me to jail, man.
Well, why would I be taking you to jail?
I don't know, man. Like I said, I mean, it's not. I have the title.
Listen.
I have the title in.
So look. So your boat stuff, obviously, it's kind of a train wreck. You ain't got
literally
anything.
just picked it up from JD in
But
Melbourne today.
The big things that I look for, though, is I want to make sure that you're okay. You've been operating an airboat. I look for making sure everybody's okay to operate airboat.
Lieutenant Lightsey then conducts the captain through a series of field sobriety tests.
All right, I'm going to look for lack of smooth pursuit. So I'm going to come through here. None of this means anything to you, but I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. Oh, yeah, stay with them.
I was looking at you, man.
All right, remember it's the pin tip. All right. The next one I look for is distinctness, sustainedness, tagginess at max deviation. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to go over here.
I'm going to be honest with you, man. I'm sweating my off. I've been broke down for an hour and a half.
You have been?
Yes, sir, but
okay.
go ahead, do your thing, man.
And then prior to 45, all right? So this one right here, all right? And then I'm going to go up one here. Can you follow this up?
Am I allowed to move my head or no?
Yeah, just your eyes.
I can't see it past your head. As far as I can.
That's as far as
you see what I'm saying? You see where my ledge is? You know, I got a ledge head, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, man.
All right. All right, Hank, let's see. Finger to nose. You've probably seen this one on TV or something before.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to switch to this one.
Obviously, you know what I'm saying? I know. I mean, I got charged with a DUI one time before.
But this is boating, so this is different.
Like I said, I mean, whatever you guys
do. So, okay. All right, begin.
Which one?
Do you remember what to do when I tell you to begin?
Yeah, you said left or right. Which one do you want me to do?
But what's the first thing you do when I tell you to begin?
45-degree angle.
And close your eyes. All right, so now we got your eyes closed, your head tilted back, all right? Left.
Right off.
Then return it back to your side, okay? Right.
Return it.
Yep, you're supposed to return it back.
1, 2.
Remember to speed up.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1.
Remember to speed up as you go. You got to go faster.
1, 2. 1, 2.
You got to speed it up. Go faster, faster, faster.
Is there a...
Yeah, you got to go fast.
How fast?
Keep going. I'll tell you when. I'm going to tell you when to stop. You got to keep increasing speed.
Can you show me how fast it needs to be?
Do you remember I showed you at the beginning?
You showed me this.
Okay.
The video's on right there.
Right. All right. Well, here. How about this? Start over. You ready? You're going to increase your speed continually as you go. I'll tell you when to stop. All right. Begin.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1,
Faster.
2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1.
Faster.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
All right. Go ahead and relax. Go ahead and relax.
It's an agility test. I'm not
Yeah.
agile.
So, hey, I have to be honest with you. You did not do very well. Okay.
I mean, I understand.
So let me ask you this. I think you know where you're at here.
I'm not driving home.
You understand what I'm saying? So listen. At this point, in my training experience, right, you're impaired beyond your normal faculties. So listen, you've been really cool with me, so I'd like to be really cool with you, okay? At this point, you are under arrest for operating a vessel while normal faculties are impaired. This is not a driving, this is a boating. And I'll explain to you the differences here in a minute. But let me ask you this. How is she? Is she okay to operate the truck and trailer back to the house?
I mean, like I said, I was going to ride with her while she drove. So, I mean, no, she doesn't need to just drive the boat and the trailer.
Well, so I understand about that, but what about, has she been drinking? Is she okay to operate?
I would rather her get a ride. And
Okay, who do you have that you can call?
I have a couple numbers. One boy lives right down the road.
Is she gonna go real crazy? I'm not gonna handcuff you yet. No. If she's compliant with it, if you want to get a phone call and try to call somebody, go ahead. Yep.
I'll have to use her phone. My phone.
Yeah, that's fine. Just have her roll down the window. Don't go in the vehicle.
Before the unidentified man's detained, the friendly lieutenant allows him to call his friend for a ride.
Right, I'm gonna put two pair of cuffs on you. That way it's a little more comfortable since it's so big. Thanks for being compliant. And I'm gonna double lock them so they don't tighten up on you. Sorry, this one's a little tight right here. Okay. All right, let's get, hang right there. Let me get her ID. Did your boat break down a couple times for you?
Yes, sir. Like I said, it's breaking. I ain't got an hour on it.
Right.
What's up? You have to work with me, dog. I'm a big boy.
I know.
Hold on, I'm gonna pull my drawers
That's
up.
why I gave you double cuffs so you got a little bit more play on your hands there.
Hey, push on my shoulder up here.
Right here? All right, I got you. I ain't gonna let you fall.
I got a bad knee in that.
How tall are you?
6'4", man.
6'4"?
You're good. If you don't mind.
Right.
At the time of this recording, since the man's name was never publicly released, we were not able to find out the outcome of his case. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Law&Crime After Hours is researched, written, and produced by Jordan Chacon. Video editing is done by the Mikey Deininger. I'm Sam Goldberg. We'll see you next week.
You understood the instructions, right?
I heard you, but I need you to hear you. I'm deaf in one ear, too. Please, just be louder.